Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video on how to create a glitch text reveal intro on the Inshot app. Make sure you stick till the end of the video to get the full procedures. So with that being said, let's get started. Create a new blank video and add text to it. You can change the font and the size to your preference. Then save the video. Go back and delete the text and import the saved video. Delete the blank video. Tap filter, go to effect and choose glitch effects. Then save the video. Go back and delete the glitch effects. Shrink down the video and add a new blank video. Delete the text video. Tap PIP and import the text video with glitch effects. Add a keyframe at the beginning and tap mask. Use a bilateral mask to hide the text. And drag the feathering tool. Move to the end of the video, tap mask and expose the full text, and this will automatically add the keyframe at the end of the video. Let's see the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.